Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm trying to make it homemade and make it with love. Today, I'm making a versatile ranch dressing or dip. Simple ingredients are as follows: buttermilk, mayonnaise, sour cream, dried chives, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and dill weed. In a bowl, you're going to start by putting in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. You're going to whisk that together well to get everything blended and so that there are no lumps. Then to that mixture, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of dried chives, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dill weed, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. If you want to use fresh herbs, that would be great. Just double the amount because they are less potent. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and go ahead and whisk that well. Now you are going to want to refrigerate this for several hours after you have made it, and then go ahead and taste it and see if you want to change the spices at all. You're going to place this into a jar with a lid. I just saved some of my old salad dressing containers that were made out of glass. And if you want to, you can add something like a chipotle pepper or cayenne to give it a little bit of spice or heat. Homemade ranch is simple, easy, and one of those recipes that you should know how to make. So I'm just funneling this in, and then after 2 hours, I gave it a taste. And I have been having this now for several years. It's cheaper than buying it from the store. I can pronounce all of the ingredients that go into this, and it really only takes a few seconds to make this. Once you start making this for yourself, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Ranch dressing goes with just about everything here in the United States. I hope you will give this one a try. Now, if you don't use buttermilk as much as I do, I suggest when you buy it, you just freeze what you haven't used so you have it for the next recipe. So thanks for watching here at White Shadow Fare, and I hope you will consider subscribing and liking this video. Have a great day.